Cadillac today announced that the fourth generation of its V-Series sub-brand, currently spearheaded by the 2020 CT4-V and CT5-V, will eventually include ultra-performance variants that carry the Blackwing name. The future track-capable vehicle will be called CT4-V Blackwing and CT5-V Blackwing, representing the apex of Cadillac performance and driver engagement. The V-Series Blackwing models will feature specially tuned chassis, vehicle control technologies, and engines. Each model will also be offered with a manual transmission, a feature most luxury brands no longer offer but continue to be strong desire for many performance driving enthusiasts.